Hi there everyone, it's just a quick video update really, following on from the interview that we did with Dave at Hattons to do with Project Genesis. And this is the range of pre-grouping 6 and 4-wheel coaches. Now I was really excited by that announcement, but it's just got better. So I've just received an email from Hattons to let me know that some of the requests that were coming in, indeed some of the things that I asked about in the interview, because I mean that's something that I've always found. I really love the pre-grouping liveries, and like you say, there's been this like graveyard, this desert of nothing to go with them. So I mean, can you see now with the response that you've got from these, is it likely to open up a whole new avenue of maybe other pre-grouping vehicles?
Possibly.
They've taken on board what people are asking for, and there will now be a 6-wheel full brake entering the range from the outset. So that is really, really good news. And they've announced in batch 1 and batch 2 these in a variety of different liveries. And, you know, these coaches were very long lasting. Everybody thinks that pre-grouping coaches would be sort of gone by the Second World War. But not so, actually. A lot of these went on into departmental use, and I believe that one such 6-wheel coach was still in use with the engineers' fleets right through into the 1980s. So my eagle eyes have spotted the olive green engineers version, so I'm really interested to see that coach in particular. But then the other big announcement is that the London, Brighton and South Coast Railway, which was a glaring omission from the initial releases. Apparently, I wasn't the only person who brought this up. So they have also added London, Brighton and South Coast Railway liveried coaches to the range. So that should go some great way to head off some of the questions that people were asking. And it does mean that the fabulous Bachmann E4 locomotive and the Marsh Atlantic H1 class will have some suitable coaches to pull. So the locomotives are there, and also the terriers too, coming through from Hornby and other sources too. So really pleased to see this news, and really looking forward to these. I am really desperately looking forward to these coaches. So just a little announcement to keep you in the loop that's just come out from Hattons. Anyway, don't forget to like this video, share it too. Let everybody else know about this great news for Project Genesis, and I'll catch you with the normal video footage resuming as the week progresses. Anyway, you take care. Bye for now. Today's video has been brought to you in part thanks to the generous donation of my fans on Patreon. And an extra special huge thanks goes out to Anthony Kidson, Michael Churchwood, Bob Threeton, Alec Ralph, Anthony Hunt, William Wade, Wayne Johns, Offshore Allen, and oorail.co.uk. If you'd like to help support the show, head on over to patreon.com/Jennifer Kirk. Thank you. Today's video has been brought to you by my books, Bringing Home the Stars, Twinkle Little Star, and also you can get the complete comic collections of All Over the House, Books 1, Books 2, and also the wacky zany Life of Knobty Mouse. Thanks, and catch you later.